Hello, I want to share this camping chair with you today. It's by King Camp, and I already set it up once to just kind of test it out, and I am very impressed. First of all, I'm impressed by this carry bag, nice and sturdy, and I really appreciate that the bag is spacious, so when I had to put it back in the bag, I wasn't struggling to get the zipper closed, because a lot of times the bag becomes useless when it's too tight and it's too annoying to put together. So that I really appreciate. It'll maybe make the chair last a lot longer. And let's get out here and set it up for you. Super simple setup. You just kind of unfold it, and then the handle snap down in the back. And then as you can see, there's these latches then to make sure it stays completely open. Make sure it's completely out, and then you snap it. Nice, and then you know it's secure. Okay, so cool thing about this chair is I have a lot of those kind of fold-up chairs, and I literally was just complaining to my in-laws the other day how, even though I'm not that old, I feel like those chairs are not supportive at all in your back, because when you sit, those chairs kind of bow out, and you're just kind of sitting like this. Where this chair completely supports your back, and you can see how it's designed, it just kind of goes straight down. Your back is completely supported, and there's no hunching down like that. So which is great, because I have 4 kids and I go to soccer games a lot, so I spend a lot of time in camping chairs. But yeah, so you could bring this to the beach, camping, sports games, all kinds of things. So I love that it is, like I said, supportive, but being that it's supportive, it doesn't take up a ton of space, because a lot of times those chairs do. So, and also it holds 300 pounds, which is quite a lot. Has this little cup holder here, put your phone or your cup. So, and it's made of nylon materials, which is like a breathable kind of mesh. You can tell it's very durable, very well sewn. I'll show you a close-up of it so you can see what it looks like. All right, so you can see how nicely sewn it is. Solid construction. I am really impressed by this chair. I want to get another one for my husband so we can both have nice chairs. I don't know about you, but we kind of go through those other folding chairs. They go through them like water, so this is nice to have a nice solid one.
The Cascade Mountain Tech Low Profile Camp Chair is a comfortable, compact, and convenient seat that's ideal for a variety of uses. This chair sits roughly 4 inches off the ground, making it compliant with outdoor concert and festival regulations. Its wide feet and low profile are great for sandy beaches, and its compact design makes it easy to pack along on camping trips. The Low Profile Camp Chair is made with a strong steel and aluminum frame that supports up to 250 pounds. The seat is constructed with breathable mesh fabric, durable nylon, and cushioned armrests, making it a sturdy yet comfortable place to kick back and relax. When it's time to pack things up, the The chair folds up quickly and stows into a handy storage bag with a shoulder strap for easy carrying.